This is 1029. Everybody's been waiting on Amazon.com, and Amazon just dropped to 3160 in after hours. Amazon popped it up here to almost 3300. They popped it up toward the 3300, and then they just dropped it to 3160, and now we're printing at 3196 by 3198. And hold on one moment. What we want to talk about is that Amazon came down really hard to 3140 just momentarily ago. Well, yes, you can see here on the chart, my friends. Right now we're printing at 3175. We were down here at 3140. Now look at the when the earnings was released, and we're masters at this. Everybody was expecting Amazon to go above 3300. Well, in the after hours, they released the report. They spike it. They spike it from to 33.20, and then they just dropped it to 31.40. Why did they do that in after hours? So they could buy it. That's exactly why. Look, earnings volatility. There wasn't nothing wrong with the report, and there isn't. And the thing about it is they ran it up to 32.57 on the regular trading session, and they did. And everyone was going in and buying the calls. Well, what we get to do now with the volatility, knowing that we came down to that 31.40, and we have been there several times. But look, I could just say that this is a buying opportunity, and it is. And I wouldn't say it if it wasn't, but this one is. So we know where the lows is. We know what the after hours volatility is. And we know that the price coming up off of the low back up to 32 is that they have a conference call, and the numbers are not bad. But I want to take all of my traders through this, all of my new guys and gals, so that they understand what after hours is, how they dropped it to 31.40 to buy the stock. And that's part of the manipulation and volatility. So here's the bar. Now it's coming down a little bit, but here's the candle right here. And I want you to see the spike. Once again, take the free 5-day trial. We'd love to have you, especially during the earnings season and the volatility and the election period. There's a ton of money to be made, and you're right there. It's right at your fingertips. If you have a stock account that has money in it now, not $1,000 or $2,000, no. It takes money to make money. Come on. So in the option pit tomorrow, they're going to steal all the premium. So everybody that bought calls on Amazon, the market makers in the option pit, I'm a market maker, that's where I come from. They're going to steal all the premium. They're going to just steal it all. And when they do, I'm going to be the buyer of it. And I know how to do it. Once again, Amazon.com. Intraday low, after hours, 31.40. Sign up. Let's develop the relationship. The sooner you do, the happier you'll be. That I can promise. And that you'll see it live. And then you'll say, well, now I know what you were talking about. And I'll say, I know.